In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to images in WordPress. We'll be doing this directly inside the WordPress editor, and the process is very simple once you know where to click. If you want to make your images more informative or visually engaging, adding text to an image can be a great way to do it. To begin, open WordPress and go to your dashboard. From there, click on Pages so you can view the list of pages on your site. Once you're in the Pages section, choose the page where you want to add your image caption. After selecting the page, click Edit to open it in the WordPress editor. Now that you're inside the page editor, the next step is to add an image block. Click on Add Blocks. This opens the block inserter where you can search for the type of content you want to place on the page. In the search bar, type image. Then click on the image block when it appears. This tells WordPress that you want to insert an image into the page content. After the image block is added, click Upload. This option lets you choose an image file from your computer. Browse your files, select the image you want to use, and then click Open. WordPress will upload that image and place it into the page. Once the image appears in the editor, you're ready to add the caption text. Click on Add Text over Image. This is the area that allows you to place words directly on top of the image rather than underneath it. After clicking there, simply enter your text. This could be a short caption, a title, or any descriptive phrase that helps explain the image. As you type, keep readability in mind. Shorter captions usually look cleaner, especially when they appear over the image itself. You'll also want to make sure the text stands out clearly against the background of the photo, so it's easy for visitors to read. At this point, your image now includes text placed over it inside your WordPress page. This is a useful technique for banners, featured visuals, announcements, or any section where you want your message to appear directly on the image. And that's how to add captions to images in WordPress. Once you're happy with how everything looks in the editor, you can continue updating the rest of your page as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.